Are your aches, pains and niggles getting in the way of enjoying the things you love? Well, today I'd like to welcome physiotherapist Jason Smith from Back in Motion, who's here to tell us how physiotherapy can help us achieve an injury-free life and optimum wellness. Sounds good. Hi, Jason.
Great to be here.
Now, you've written a book on this subject,
Yeah.
so tell us about the role that physiotherapy can play in helping us achieve this wellness.
Well, physiotherapy is central to people's wellness, and I discuss this in the book. It's titled Get Yourself Back in Motion, and it's because so many people move today with pain, and they probably shouldn't have to accept that, but it affects the way they live life. But wellness is not just about being pain-free. Wellness is about being physically vibrant and energetic and being at the best health you possibly can. And physio helps with that. It helps you move better, stay better, and with the right philosophy, people can perform at their best.
So what makes Back in Motion's philosophy of care unique?
Well, the physiotherapists at Back in Motion have created really their own philosophy called Results for Life. And it really challenges those traditional healthcare mindsets that talk about quick fixes and short-term results and band-aiding the symptoms. It speaks to really addressing the underlying causes, setting expectations with clients about long-term health and getting sustainable results.
So how do you do that? How do you get those results?
Well, we start by not assuming every client's the same.
Right.
And so we design with them a health map, a personal tailored results for life plan, and we give them comprehensive treatment, and we set measures, and ultimately we educate them about lifestyle changes that extend beyond the consulting room.
Okay.
This really helps break that cycle of injury recurrence, and it's amazing how it can change someone's life.
It makes a lot of sense, but it's not the only thing that makes Back in Motion unique, is it?
No, that's right. So a lot of people love Back in Motion because we give every client a free initial assessment. So for no money, people can get a qualified opinion. The other thing they're amazed about is we guarantee every service with a money-back offer, that if they're not thrilled with the experience, they'll get their money back as well as their next service complimentary.
And, you know, just quickly with the Olympics coming up, a lot of people will be inspired to get active, won't they?
Absolutely. We love that. We want to encourage activity. They'll dust off the bike and get out the old gym gear, but we want them to do it safely, and we think our services help that.
Well, let's go through that offer for Circle viewers you've got today from Back in Motion.
So any viewer can actually refer a friend or a family member, and they can actually get another $30 off their next treatment.
Excellent. Well, how do we find a Back in Motion clinic near us?
So there are 50 locations Australia-wide. If they call 1300 My Health, they can make a booking. Otherwise, they can find out more information at backinmotion.com.au.
That's the website. Let's give that phone number one more time to find their nearest Back in Motion.
So it's 1300 My Health for their free initial assessment.
Thank you, Jason, very much from Back in Motion for your physiotherapy needs. Why not call them today?